The boss of all bosses, you know.
Yeah, no. Yeah, but you understand?
Yeah, man. And what is it? You go on the rope.
We have some fish over here as well, guys.
So what this? This is chicken.
Yeah, buddy's that do me that.
Hello?
And then I go look some rum right now.
I am not a waster.
Look back Kilani now. In a tent. Aye. What's that? This is body's tent in Jamaica to rotted. Watch it. Body's tent in Jamaica.
Yeah, my boy. My boy, man.
Well, you're not camera or something else to kill on you.
Watch it, watch it. I know me kid will catch me.
You know, go wash off in this one?
I get a new name for machete, you know. Chopping at the apparatus. Lord, that's scared.
So fancy.
I'll kill on you spearhead the construction.
How she had the table sound? Oh, only head to see head.
Eh? Yeah.
Feed the home life.
Don't follow creator. That's why we have to sit there.
Spanish bridge.
Oh,
Hey, the only thing we see a while ago, one little banga. There's one there.
one little banga.
So check this out, everybody. This is the old Spanish bridge. This is in St. Mary.
Hey.
Hello. So watch my style now. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Spanish Bridge. So we are doing a link up with Anthony Spearfishing and some other YouTubers. So remember, stay tuned. We do the introduction later on. The boss of all bosses, you know.
Yeah, no. Yeah, but you understand?
Yeah, man. Anthony Spearfishing. Pick up yourself, the boss.
Yeah, there, man. I think there.
Yeah.
Good vibe, man.
You're spirited, but
Yeah?
you're spirited, but
I see him shoot there, man.
So you know, so once Anthony there, you know, I don't know, normal, you know. Yeah, man. Everyone just kick away with TV. Only means of entertainment.
You never
So-
mean to kick it away, man.
yeah, me, the
So we're going to use battle. We're going to use battle, you know.
Kick it away.
What do you mean? But let's not fling off a line. You just have to make sure there's nobody in there.
Tomorrow.
What is this, Kelani? What is it?
Just throw that on there.
The crayfish. Hey, do you have to dash them there? No? Watch there. You go on the rope.
if you run, I'm going to on the road.
Hey, I mean,
So if we go to that and run out of sweetness and drop it like deep water, who's here?
you swim out.
Swim tight.
So why you do this and we see it, man? What's cooking? Outdoor cooking.
It's not me cooking today. I think it's Anthony Spearfishing cooking today. But I don't know what he have on the menu for today. You want water to drink, baby, or you want to go inside the water?
You name Anthony Spearfishing, so I must fish. You see, oh, she want to go in it. I know that she go in it. She know. I want water cold. Hey, you no plan for go in the water, you know, get in a hot steam, you know. Swim off here. Well, it's one on the plan for go in the water, because I have a hot steam.
I'm going to kitchen, man.
No make your football get to a while ago, no go for your hat now. Send every feet, take off, make every go for it.
Oh, me go for your hat.
Alright, so watch your style now. So plan a 3-day camping trip with Anthony spearfishing. So today is day 1. So it's Friday and we're supposed to leave on Sunday. Sunday afternoon more than likely. So yeah, so it's supposed to be an exciting trip. Long time link up Anthony and say, yo, I'm always watch him channel. And way back when. So I say, yo, you know what, I want to get a link. He say, yo, ain't there already, man? And we link him both last week and him say, yo, you know, so we have a camping trip. Spanish Bridge this weekend. Him say, alright, I'm ready there. But we come here already, you know, we come here last year. I think last year, June. Yeah, last year June thereabout. But we never spend on time. So the only thing we did get to do are some shots and stuff. So if you check out the channel, you see that too. See him there went to White River. Them did the rafting and stuff. So we are here again. What we are gonna do? We are gonna have some fun. Yeah, man, we're gonna do some good content and stuff. So yeah, continue watching.
Anthony get a break out of the kitchen. I'm like, he still going in the kitchen same way. Kind of go fry fish. Yes, today just on a film, you don't get no break.
I'm going to cook the soup to sell me a sell, you know.
What gonna happen? When you drink this soup, what happen?
They make it spread the bed foot away, bed foot and so.
So how we're going to be in that the soup this so?
Make it pan pan long can tear and
season it up with the powder season.
Alright, sir.
Season it up with the powder.
We have some fish over here as well, guys.
All the while do that. Well, I'm a quick catch you. I'm in no
Not good to see there. Yeah, man. Island adventure style this,
What's your name?
Alright, sir. So we are Anthony's spear fishing.
What's my name?
Cray. Cray there too. So we are camping as I said before. Kellan is there. Well, RJ is there still, but RJ, big up yourself. Yes, baby? Stop it, stop it. So basically, one chicken this is? One. I have never seen chicken so small. It's just you need to do better. You're not going to sponsor me now because I'm a customer and chicken. So what this? This is chicken. And then I look some rum right now. Right now I look some rum. Tanisha just dash some rum a while ago, you know?
I bet you might cook everything, eh?
So how much pepper you put in the crayfish?
What I man.
May I ask you,
Cut up if you.
you want me to cut it up?
Cut up your whole eye, man.
No, but we
everything in eye.
We need some for
Make
the
them
meat.
more. We need
some for the chicken as well.
No, we have pepper can food for that.
Okay.
Yes, man.
So we have the fireman over here, so keep it on.
I sent me where Cape Town come from. Sudan wasn't me where we come from. Yeah, I like Cape Town, man. I don't take away your crown, you know, my fireman. Can't take away your crown, my boy.
I don't want to do that. I'm going to leave them there.
Hey, I don't can't understand how, you know. All of a sudden, a while ago, everything is silent and I know the man and just hungry. Everything that I go fast. Like a factory there. Alright, watch your pot. Chicken pot. I pay a broccoli, son. What's your put on it? What's your face, yes? I'm not burning nothing, man.
Chicken. Ball plate there, man.
If I want to blaze up.
Hold on, no put in everything for that. Make it quick. I know, brother, I know. That's what DJ is for. Oh my God. Come on then. What, chef?
Can't hold couple more, man.
I'm making one.
Okay. It's a fry. Another chicken. Hey, still can't believe there are two. Still can't believe there are two chicken this. RJ, big up yourself. RJ, they are saying the way down in one corner by himself. Big up yourself, my boy.
You come with every day with a big head, man.
I said him, you still was saying him go look for it, you know? Where, brother? One of a kind, okay then.
Okay then.
I will put ball up.
This weekend you coming from today to Sunday. They are working right now.
So you drinking you now? Hey, you go full pick up a water, you know? You go dilute it, man. You want rum? Yeah, you want rum? No, man, you want more rum, man. Too much water gone in it. Yeah? Yeah. I ate the chicken. I know chicken that man, a fish man. Bone tuck in and throat is safe for AI. Hey, Tanisha, he say bone stuck in and throat. She have to give CPR. You ever hear bone stuck in a people throat and you get CPR?
Dry bread me I give you.
A dry bread, a bread. One slice of bread you CPR, brother. One slice of bread. One slice of bread and CPR. Yeah, man.
And dumpling.
No matter know who you say thief out the bread, you know. I know them. I know no matter know.
And your friend, a John.
Doing. I know them mother just know who you say thief out the bread, you know. Right now they must see it. Watch out.
Yes! I said, I come on, I thief out the dumpling and I put it in my pocket. You don't go at the pot. You don't go at that. Look, you see.
Hey, mama. What is cooking outdoor?
Okay, so we have some fried parrot fish and then we have some home style chicken. We're gonna cook some rice as well and some crayfish. I don't know what they're gonna do with
Yes,
the
no.
crayfish.
No, I'm not going to water, you know. No. I'm not going to water. I do in every alone going to water. Tanisha going to too.
hear the baby. We have going back in there.
3 sandwich you say, no? And in phone ring and not even know.
Yes, 3. Take board up. Rest now.
Your phone ring, no?
Miss Empress.
I just want one.
And if your iPhone.
Give me some food that she is and I want.
Tanisha, your phone ring. Your phone. After your phone that?
No, not mine.
Fry. Good.
After your phone ring?
Fine.
Somebody else.
I drink and you drink and I say my phone ring.
No, I never know say that. I think of your iPhone.
My iPhone of a woman.
Oh God. What you
You
do?
might with the iPhone of transmission.
You don't want that one in you not get it. Sorry. You don't want to get that.
Yeah, my phone up say no.
Get away.
You want this too?
Yeah.
Go on.
Take away your girl.
Take away what?
Take away your girl.
For me girl. No, for me girl.
You take away your girl?
No, sir.
Can I see anything where you drinking?
No, I will drink back
You the back week of them for them in a friend?
No, that make a holy girl then. You
Trouble
go
did-
holy for lobster and fish.
Yeah.
So that
Crayfish.
I have borrow them from Anthony. Anyone going to walk?
Means you have to go in there yourself.
No, me and you going there later go fetch them. When you can't see them when they dark, we fetch crayfish.
They can't stand on.
No, I can't see them now.
So they come like gonna take out the tile.
See ya. It tastes good.
Yo, easy, not easy.
Pepper nice good. The
Mm,
pepper
tasty
wait,
one.
I'm good.
No, where it was over.
What is?
Hey, my friend, right here,
I taste the crayfish. No man, this is perfect. Apart from the pepper, perfect.
Tell us the pepper hot in here.
Perfect, man.
It's perfect.
Perfect. I taste the garlic and everything.
Alright, see?
Just don't want no more seasoning, brother.
Tasting the garlic and everything. See, you don't need nothing more.
That's the most important thing to me right now.
But
It's delicious, man.
But me tell, right now you come like, you come like you can't swim again.
I don't come like, brother.
Come like I learn to swim.
I learn to swim, brother.
Yeah, Lord.
That's what I say.
As me go 3 feet out in the water, me the underwater.
Underwater.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
When we dey home, 10, 20 feet we are going to water. And we not cover.
I'm not covered.
No, 3
3
feet.
feet.
3 feet. No, so I have to learn. Everybody, you can't swim, you know.
Everybody
Me
pool
can't
one,
swim
man.
either.
Ah, pool
I
one.
float a bit.
Float.
But just remember, no, say you can't swim, see me, you can't float.
you see that float already?
Yes, my boss. Manners.
I am not a waster.
I know water cooling there.
Boy, me don't want to touch up the coolings, eh?
Okay then.
Okay, then.
Okay then.
That's good.
Not long over 10. Nice, that's true.
So I
Ever like daily. Watching blood clay.
you know, looks like that. I'm just curious so this, you know, the tree is not.
Enough too.
You know, I'm a chat. Subscribe to the channel, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, you're not pushing the iron in me.
Massa.
If I hold down with the hand.
Come. Not that give me trouble.
We got moving, man.
That me I see.
Why next one then? You hold it up.
Wait.
You have to teach you a lesson. See if you can put something there, because mosquito come in power.
Miss out it out. Really enough something there.
Maybe
Yeah.
want the iron and strap it down.
No, you know if it's strapped down at all.
It a lean seat.
Look back Kilani now. You're not 10. Aye. Alright baby. Check out the camp vibes. Who didn't know so outdoor cooking can dance? Law. Aja. I mean.
Advance, you know?
Yeah, man, it's nice, man.
What are you doing?
I saw this body stent in Jamaica to thing. Watch out. Body stent in Jamaica. I see one a while ago when I see turn. As I come here, I see one, but as the light touching me, shoe it. True. Watch out for Kelani, look there. Hey, I real adventure baby designer. My lord, you want that? You want that in normal picnic this? Kelani, say adventure baby. Adventure baby. One thing, you're persistent, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Nobody asks if you know mash them up, you think they can catch what you catch?
Yeah. Very, very persistent.
Yeah, man. You good out there in the water them a time, I do.
Eh?
You good out there them a time, I do.
As in,
Nobody now see you.
not a problem. But mostly solo adventures, bro.
Oh, you think?
So, you already steering up right
Oh,
now.
yeah, light and sitting though.
Yeah, perfect. You see me out there.
Oh.
Who's that guy?
Yeah, let me show you.
Take it time.
You're afraid of them?
Of course, it's right.
Shake it, sit now and go.
Shake it, open it too wide.
No, man. You're not cool. Drop through.
Yeah.
Use my instincts now.
One for your left, heavier man. This I want to puffy. You don't even want to see nothing more. Then you just say more light.
You want one light to enhance your camera.
Eh?
Enhance your camera.
So you know what I want to?
You
Then let me see. So you don't know what you're talking about.
want
Hey Kelani. Hey mama. Hey. You want to go to the river today? Bull. Oh, Indonesia. Hey, they want an angry man. This is too short.
I don't think you should put in a bag. Put in a thicker one and then I'm going to burst up this bag.
What's that? So one more jump out again?
Everybody have come out. Nobody want to stay in the pot.
The pot too narrow.
That one shall feel soft, see me?
Yes, my soft shell. Yeah, that one a soft shell.
So we want to feel glad it jump off.
Probably want to run bite you off.
See them soft. I'm so feeling close to this morning.
Okay.
This one's much out them in this way, you see them. Whatever I told you put them on the place like that, you know how about they catch for the night.
No. See him catch.
See him catch
My
for the
catch for
night.
the night. Go get the bigger
Look out
bags
there,
over there.
Well, this is one of the catch for the night. One. They have two more. Pretty. More in there?
Let me see.
I just this
Let me
one.
see.
Yeah.
Another one fine.
Saute.
I love this
Shrimp
one.
that.
These are so nice.
Yeah, man, that a shrimp we see a milk water. That
Yeah,
type of
they're
shrimp that
small
don't
one, yeah. With the pepper in them. Whole of pepper.
Boy, I tell you, una genius.
Yes,
Magician. And then man I work the magic them. Oh,
This one nice.
that are the native shrimp that you know, that's a regular one.
It was a nice.
Regular shrimp man. Not true. But you can do one.
It's soft. And that I think I want
If you're gonna get one, you mash them up tonight. If you're gonna get all
tonight.
if you're gonna get all 110 of them tonight, man, you mash them up, man.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah? Man, you're a crayfish dream, brother. You're a crayfish dream, this. Oh God, man. Not do it team. Not do it team. No, sir.
Oh, buddy. Oh, for me, that, me until I shoot, that they want to too cold for me. This one?
No worries, brother. I go and
No, man, I catch up, man.
He did what he couldn't.
Yeah, catch up. Yeah, catch up, man.
Oh, we have to back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where
you catch? Where you catch?
Let me catch.
I flew we catch, man. I'm cool. I cool we catch, man.
I must kill tomato.
No, man, I flew in my catch, man. I flew. Hold up, Everal.
Okay, then.
Everal, Everal catch something, man. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Okay, then.
Oh, God. Me sorry for you, boy. Oh, God. Look at that. You show for this, sir. Kelani there, sir. Look on Kelani. Sleep in a tent. Yeah, so day one. Yes, it Tanisha? Yeah, day one. Nice, though. Nah, lie. At the first camping video me ever do, but me, the thing is I could be number one. Yeah, this could be number one. Kelani sleep peacefully. Tanisha did that, so the only person missing right now is RJ, and I know saying alright, so I'm not complain. We'll just talk to him, so until tomorrow, peace.